I'm Elena, and I'm a design team lead and senior designer at Bonfit. Through the years, I've been working on different B2B and B2C digital products, where my role was leading the design process, UX strategy, and coordinating other design team members. And from my experience, often one of the hardest parts in product design is shaping new products from blank and starting from just an idea. At a product camp on 2nd of September, I'm going to talk about designer's perspective on shaping a new product or a complete redesign from scratch. I'll share some of my insights in what are the key questions we need to ask as designers to lead our product in the right direction, how to set up your discovery process, and how to tailor your design approach to a specific product. I'm curious what you think, and I'll be happy to answer all the questions. See you soon!